Good morning, guys. And right now I'm at Terwillegar Park. I was actually here yesterday with the Canon road trip thing. So it's a beautiful place, nice park. So I've decided to come here this early and get some B-rolls, maybe some drone shots, gimbal, and hope you guys will enjoy my time here, which I'm gonna show you guys. Uh, this is really a beautiful place. I'm gonna show you around. Just give me a second. Sun's just coming out, and yeah. So yesterday, the plan was to shoot some videos here yesterday. I had an intro done actually for yesterday, but when I got the EOS R6 in my hand, I totally forgot about all the stuff which I wanted to do. So no Joseph today here. It's just me. So hope you guys will enjoy it. Alright guys, just get back into my car, and it was a long trail walk. Got few photos, nice photos out there, and hopefully you guys will like the drone footage, shots from gimbal, and few of them will be handheld. This is it for me guys, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.